All right, what's going on, guys? It's been a little while, so I wanted to just give you a quick update. Looks like this is going back to May of this year. Don't really remember the last time we went through this, but just again, just kind of showing you, been going in and out of FAS and FAZ. The last go round, I got out of FAS at 67. I really wanted to get out at 68. But I got stopped out at 67. Not upset about it. I got in at 61.50. Okay. Um, Last go round with FAZ, I got out at 11:35, and I was able to get in at 11. All right. So the purpose for this video today is because it's that time to get back into FAZ, and I need to find my entry point. Now, I got in before. Let's see here. I got in before at 11. Okay, and so I want to try to get in. As low as I can, as cheap as I can, rather. Right now, the market is currently open, so the price is moving. It's at $10.15. As you can see here, just back in June, it got down to $10.04. It was at $10.24 back in May. If we go out a little further, we see that the absolute low, which is what I've been looking at, is $9.76. That was back in January. I don't really expect that to happen, but I do think what's important here is that FAS, if it goes above this 70. Now let's look back at the January. I think that's really interesting. If we go back to January, see this? It got up as high as $81. Okay, and FAZ at the same time. Um, that's not January, is it? Here we go. Here's January. Nope, that's still not January. What's going on here? Oh, here we go. All right. FAZ got as low as $9.76. So I don't expect it to go back to 9.76 without FAS going up much higher. So we're going to look at our RSI right now and just see where we are. Looks like we're at 40. Okay, and that 40 line puts us about there. So as we can see, that is kind of where we've been bouncing off of. We did go a bit lower here. That's a little lower than 40, and that price was $10.24. So what this means is there was a lot more selling at this $10.24 than there is selling now. And then again here, that got down to about 38. So we're very close to that number. And so I think that getting in now at this $10.15 level won't be a bad idea if it goes further than 10.15 and we get into that $9.80 range, then we'll look to buy more. Let's go back and look at FAS, and let's see if FAS is at the top. So right now FAS is at 58, which puts us about at the top for the past let's say 5 months, right? Since February. We've been bouncing off of that top since February. Now, previous to February, the financials were up so high. They were actually bouncing off 55 and going up as high as 84. Now, a lot of that has to do with the rate hikes that were pending. Everyone thought would happen, and when they did happen, there was a lot of excitement behind that. Now the rate hikes seem to have tapered off. We're seeing a lot of the utility stocks come back here recently, so that lets me know that the rate hikes is not as big of a player as they used to be. The financials are still doing fairly well. You can just see the price action here. Over the past couple months, we've been bouncing from 59 up to 68, but I mean it's come a long way. It's come a long way, and we haven't really gone down at all. I mean, this is the new bottom. 59 is the new bottom. Prior to that, as you can see, financials were hurting, but 59 is the new bottom. Like I said, I've been getting in at about 61.50. I would love to get in a little less than that, but there you see 61.50. There you see 62. There you see 61.50 again. So 61.50 is where I have my order set at. So when this thing gets to 61.50, I'm gonna just buy in right away. If it goes a bit lower, no problem. I'll just buy more and average my costs down. I really hate that I missed a full $1.50 more of this, but not a big deal in the grand scheme of things. What we're going to do is we're going to get back into FAZ, and we're going to do it at this $10.15 level. I'm not going to try to be greedy and get it cheaper than that. I'm just going to get in right now because we are at the near bottom. Not quite the bottom, but the near bottom, and that's going to be good enough for me. Like I said, if it goes down beyond $10, then I'll just purchase some more and then wait my turn to sell at 11 and above. All right, that's it for the time being. Just wanted to show you real quick what my performance has been. Not anything to get super excited about, but almost 7% for the year. Much better than what you're going to get at any bank. Again, for me, this is literally just a savings account. You know what I mean? So either I can have this money in the bank getting 0.00% interest, or I can actually see a bit of gain from my money. So since inception, 8%. That's going back to April 2016. So not very great, but not bad either. The portfolio takes investments. We've been looking at about 12% a year. Did much better the year before. So that portfolio has done better, but this one is not bad. All right, I holla.